こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Moo is going to make crispy fried oyster mushrooms. These super crispy fried oyster mushrooms are made with the classic Japanese Katsu technique. Katsu means cutlet in Japanese, and always made with Panko, a type of breadcrumbs that originated in Japan. Panko is lighter and crispier than regular breadcrumbs, giving that wonderfully airy crunch. It's also easily available in UK supermarket these days. The juicy, umami-rich oyster mushrooms coated in an incredibly crispy panko crust bring great satisfaction with every bite. Okay, let's get started. Clean 150 grams of oyster mushrooms and tear them into chunks. Lightly dust them with plain flour. In a bowl, place 5 tablespoons of plain flour, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 pinches of salt, 90 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and mix to combine. Place panko breadcrumbs on a plate. Dip the mushrooms into the flour mixture and coat all sides. Then roll them in the panko breadcrumbs. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat and bring the temperature to 170 degrees. Deep fry the mushrooms until golden brown. Remove from the oil and drain on a mesh rag. Transfer to a serving plate. Simply sprinkle with salt, black pepper, and a lemon wedge. Or serve with your favorite dipping sauce. Deきた! Moo, how does it taste? Okay, Moo said. The contrast between the crispy exterior and the soft, flavorful inside creates an irresistibly addictive combination. Every bite is perfectly balanced, and whether you sprinkle them with salt or dip them in your favorite sauce, you will find it hard to stop. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね。